Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing who will test and what success looks like. Select 10 to 50 users per cohort and assign roles. Make sure they represent real workflows. Upload a working build with explicit release notes, test objectives, and a list of core scenarios. Once done, create feedback channels, an in-app reporter, a short form, and an email alias, and provide a one-reproducible bug template so reports are consistent. This gets you immediate, structured input and prevents noisy, unusable feedback. Now you focus on execution. Triage incoming reports every day and tag them by severity and frequency so the team knows what to fix first. Run scheduled smoke tests on every new build and update the changelog. This ensures regressions are caught early. Make sure to communicate weekly updates to testers with priorities, workarounds, and what's changing next. Once prioritized fixes land, push a patch and ask the same users to validate. This closes the feedback loop and raises confidence quickly. You finish by collecting final metrics, crash rate, task completion percentage, and NPS to decide readiness. Export and archive issues, mark verified fixes, and compile a rollout checklist covering feature flags, toggles, and monitoring. Once completed, communicate the production plan and debrief testers. If things go wrong, reproduce the problem with logs, environment details, and a step-by-step test case. Then escalate with a timestamp build and exact steps. This focused closure turns beta learnings into a safer production release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.